stepped outside, it's definitely a much muggier night. It's quite a bit milder as well. Still 77 here at 11 o'clock in the Knoxville-Maryville area, 79 Oak Ridge to 73 in Oneida and Allard. We're really keeping a close eye on what's happening well to our north and west. Illinois, Indiana now entering into Kentucky. All those red boxes you see are tornado warnings. Even had several tornadoes on the ground confirmed. Not in Tennessee tonight, not expecting tornadoes as this line slowly progresses towards the south and east. Really, our thinking was we're going to see some rain with this. We still may see at least a few isolated showers first thing tomorrow morning, but really this is starting to trend towards the scenario of a more unstable atmosphere, more storm fuel in place. Here's 12 o'clock. I think we see some sunshine or at least minimal rain showers and storms. Notice the breeze as well is going to be very gusty, 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, even outside of storms. That's going to continue to pump up moisture and warmth ahead of the storms that we do see. It does look like by the mid to later part of the afternoon, some stronger storms, potentially severe storms. Damaging winds would be the main concern as these storms really pulse up and then fall apart. Some of them could be 60 to 70 mile per hour winds as they do fall apart. And then kind of on the second or third wave almost, midnight tomorrow night into early Tuesday morning, notice just this more moderate, steady rainfall, really starting to go to more of a flooding threat once we get through the first couple of rounds, again, between about noon and sundown or so. So evening commute, make sure you have the rain gear handy. Make sure you have some sort of plan if a warning is issued, maybe during your evening commute. If you're just out and about shopping, out for dinner, that's the kind of things you need to keep in mind for tomorrow. With a level 2 out of 5 risk for everybody across East Tennessee, Southeast Kentucky, really the reason for the level 2 risk is going to be damaging wind gusts. Again, 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. But a secondary threat, a low threat, especially to the south of I-40, is going to be a low-end tornado threat. And then even isolated flooding, again, with how much rain we see, the scattered showers and storms, the waves, we can see some pretty widespread 2 to 5 inches in spots. Again, damaging winds going to be the very primary concern, the most concern. 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, I'd say, are a good bet that you see at your house, but then some isolated spots, maybe up to 50 miles per hour. Looks like the better opportunity for that would be closer towards the Kentucky border. Tornado threat, again, it's not zero, but it is very, very low. Crossville, Kingston, Tellico Plains, and then towards the south, towards the Chattanooga and Cleveland areas into northern Alabama. So flooding threat as well really will be elevated in the evening and overnight hours. So again, even once you get through some severe weather tomorrow, if you see it, make sure to keep your phones on because you need to be able to receive warnings for flooding as well. Medium, level 2 out of 4 risk. And again, that's mainly into the overnight hours. We'll see several waves of showers and storms. So I want to show you the rain accumulation map, not to show you specific amounts. Don't focus specifically on the locations, but I want to show you, I think most of us see a widespread 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches. But in some spots, some isolated spots where you see some heavy downpours over and over, 5 or 6 inches can't be completely ruled out. That would create some major problems. So just make sure you are staying weather aware tomorrow for both the severe and the flooding concerns. Once we get through tomorrow, Tuesday, maybe a hit or miss light shower or drizzle across the Smokies. Most of us are dry and clearing out through the day, only getting to about 80 degrees for many of us. Knoxville to La Follette and Wartburg should be a very nice day. Drier air comes in behind the passage of the cool front tomorrow night. And then look at Wednesday morning. Very comfortable, closer to the Kentucky border, some mid to upper 50s. It looks phenomenal start of your Wednesday. And then just seasonable. Wednesday, Thursday look very nice, very low rain chances. And then we get to Friday and moisture levels really start to stream back. Heat index Friday into next weekend does look closer towards the low 90s, but pretty seasonable temperatures. We should be around 87, and that's about where we'll be towards the end of the week into next weekend. But again, make sure we're staying weather aware for tomorrow for both the flooding concern and the severe concern. Make sure to keep our app handy. We can send you lightning alerts. We'll also send you severe alerts and flooding alerts if any are issued.
Yeah, definitely we're going to want to maybe have the rain gear nearby tomorrow.
Absolutely.
All right, well, coming up.